Artificial intelligence is getting scarily good at predicting human behavior. Researchers have created an AI called LifeDevec that can predict someone's lifespan and personality traits just by looking at the events in their life so far. This AI was trained on data for the entire population of Denmark, over 6 million people. It looked at patterns in people's health history, education, jobs, income, and more. Then it used this to make eerily accurate predictions about mortality and personality. For example, it could predict someone's likelihood of dying soon just based on their life events. And it could guess how extroverted someone is by looking at their sequence of life events. The researchers say this AI is way better than existing models at making these kinds of predictions. But they don't think it should actually be used to predict real people's futures. The data comes from one culture in Denmark. The model found correlations, but those don't necessarily mean causation. And all data has bias built in. So this can't just be applied universally. The researchers want this AI to start a conversation about how these tools should and shouldn't be used. Tech companies are probably already making predictive AI like this behind closed doors. But this study brings it out in the open, so we can talk about the ethics and set up responsible guidelines. Powerful prediction comes with great responsibility. This fascinating AI shows we need to have open conversations about balancing innovation with ethical principles. The future is here, so let's shape it wisely.